Are you an aspiring chef looking for the best career opportunities? In this video, I'm going to show you some of the highest paying chef jobs in the industry and help you find your dream career. Number 13 is chef assistant with salary range between $23,000 to $33,500 per year. Number 12 is pizza chef with salary range between $27,000 to $39,500 per year. Number 11 is culinary specialist with salary range between $28,000 to $40,000 per year. Number 10 is sushi chef with salary range between $32,500 to $48,500 per year. Number 9 is food stylist with salary range between $28,500 to $50,500 per year. Number 8 is chef manager with salary range between $43,000 to $60,000 per year. Number 7 is culinary chef with salary range between $36,000 to $61,500 per year. Number 6 is head chef with salary range between $40,500 to $61,500 per year. Number 5 is banquet chef with salary range between $42,000 to $62,500 per year. Number 4 is chef position with salary range between $31,000 to $64,000 per year. Number 3 is chef de cuisine with salary range between $54,000 to $80,000 per year. Number 2 is research chef with salary range between $50,500 to $95,500 per year. And finally, number 1 is corporate executive chef position with salary range between $82,000 to $104,500 per year. If you're looking for a culinary career that pays well, look no further. This comprehensive list of highest paying chef jobs will help you find your dream job. Get all the information you need to take the next step in your culinary career today. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you in the next video. Greetings from the culinary world.